Ni karibu ase kionga chinsebere obotuko bwa rero chitarike chiga 13 chiomotinyo mutangani mwaka bwechiri bubere na 2025 gakitwa kolereri amange korwa chinsemo ao ime na isiko ya gusi amone county ya Nyamira na boigo county ya Kisii boigo kunyire tunelinga gende gutubwatia emirobli etionsi gwetrase umutandao Facebook na boigo YouTube ase Getembe TV na Getembe FM na boigo gende gutubwatia ase jidekoda chionsi chirimai katamna free to air na boigo dekoda elia suku ni gotororo ase sionsi ya Kenya na boigo chinse ao ime yerongoro Afrika yubotendense ya Tanzania ense ya Malawi ense ya Zambia egati yechi se chinde cheni gongoro ku Haroni Ototo Nyangiri na kuronsema ya transmission igakoro kwa Abigail Nyanchama nekene kionga chinsa ibere Ikionga chinsa ibere toko chakurwa se county ya Nyamira stokonyamna omojumbe bunge ya West Mugrango omoske wa Steve Mogaka nigo atuteirale ekerengereri kia bange buna nere ule magega yogotabekwa kwe university ase county ya Nyamira kolengano muske Steve Mogaka nigo kumusana kwa negative gati university ya Nairobi ya university ya Kisii na boigo university eli ya Eldoret igoro ase university ya Takere kobekwa kuikira ase chishiringi chia rwetu shiringi milioni ya meya mocho gochake university watchinze moche kia banyaru boigo muske Steve Mogaka nigatamna litukule Jumatatu nigaraje kuikaboswe kigambiro na korusia ekina kelia nyataka baga goikia boswe kigambiro kyo yokugania university yo gotagachwa ase chinsemo chia kia banyaru boigo muske Steve Mogaka nigatana litukule Jumatatu nigaraje gochakia na boigo kwena na chi form jeji pasari ase bunge yo ya West Mugrango mulikeito Fatika Disemba nigatolera ni robot ru asenjira yoboikirano
Familia eyo yomugaka erikana mugaka nigo rero batwara umuyega bwa masabo ayo aragwa ne kanisa ya Nyabite SDA yokumunyera umongira Josephine Anyona boyo usiretie ubugima bwaye ase ense ya USA kubwatekana no burwire bwa kansa nigo boigo amatanga aye aba ense yo ya USA Evans Anyona no mugaka oye
umusubati Josephine ya ikomotinyo osita abanyagitari bakanyora notwarire uburwaire gete bukare kororeka nesenda uburwaire ubwansi bokoro kunga sacral cancer igatoka na Mario gotaringa roro aranyale kuburwenye ibonga uburwaire ubwo na bugwa morusia senseye bokoro kunga sacral cancer
Ensemo yende nigo umubunge o West Mugirango muske Stephen Mogaka akwanira igoro yemeroberio abekire ensemo yogocha gusira chisemi ase ebunge eyo wetera ububagi bwechipasari
abekere tugwaso mwakoyo I going to go school to school otereka bali muna abana establishing kebabolete tubasire so that the next examination yo tugocha gukora we want to shake yense because our dream in West Mugrango is to be the best constituency, a modern constituency. Chibese chibasari nkeigo chiabete released with constituency. We want to confirm ya abara na abayiburi ba West Mugrango constituency na chiform twarangeretie abana bayitobye iburi basari njino mu accountant wanzira mambia Jumatatu igotogwa kesabu yechi application kire valid kiaretirwe tukigambere kibese toire ki basari kiro mwana ali kirwe echeki
igoro yengana ye university ya Nyamira nigo umubunge oyo agenderera gusingerera kuna ritikoria Jumatatu wiki enya nigo arache korusia ekina bene kurwase ekigambiro ekyo kerigetie gutanga okwagachwa kwe university ya Nyamira ase chinsemo kya Kyabonyoru
igo nabatangasirete na rero bunango kore sabato yane igabuna nayo kurire rosafi tintegeti bitina Nyamira atol ritikoria Jumatatu bandu wa mangaseti moche saa 6:30 ngende nainwe paka kutini Nyamira ndusie kine kiororo
boigo nigo akwanira obwagare eki kiamwirerete ere kogenda ekigambiro erio korigia gutanga university eyo kwagachwa kiabanyoru
kinakorete nkagenda kotini kobori court serikali nebegete university Eldoret kiabonyoru igo buri mugwa kiabonyoru ibore locked to Eldoret ngakitoko kora egekorera baegereire nge university na endeje ya Kisii egende kiabonyoru. So I said kurkot tuanchere mosibure Eldoret kiabonyoru egereri baga Kisii yebero egekorera nchiko bero ibiri
chingaki echecho osegetire enyagitari yebirengo ebinene boigo kwagachwa kiabanyoru eyo erache gokonya baria barache kwegera obonyagitari
agache university agache nyagitari mo gosomeria abanyagitari abukia abonyoru by 2027 tubakire chinko bitobarwero ko mutakoretigo narange iria bogusimwezi manyanga sare yentonyerika busa abantu bagutoikie kingi bunaba ebe no mo MCA ebe no mo chumbe ebe no mo gavana kurwa bunotu mugram mutato eti university by 2027 aba no mugram bono motokonye wakutukonye kibarua egekweru burayi bwino obwatuikiria
hingo reporteria getembe korwase ebunge eyeiga ya West Mugrango eyo egotoka imeye county ya Nyamira Nchefatgad Gisemba
Mwanjo muligereri chingaki abarai gose chingaki serikali ya Kenya gende kunchirri kurori tugoje selinde kobwatakana amona barai korwa abisi na mande kosaroro nigo agati banyalde ko bakororekana go anga gose gotanjirana emiremeri bakonyaka bakwaigwa ase serikali yomoske William Ruto yobangoiga no mujumbe omukoro bwebunge ya Gitutu Masaba omoske Timothy Bosire uyiboiga ole gose ole omugachi bwekiama gya ODM oyonyate kabaga charu no munyakero bwekiombe kya NTSA kurende akanyara kabaga kana emireme yonyate kabaga charu na serikali yaye omoske William Ruto mulikito Samienda niganyara kabaga goturgereria igati ya balia banyalde ko bakoigwe mirimo ase serikali yomoske William Ruto nakoyekana
Kero serikali ya Kenya Kwanza egenderete kwenekia ogwatanekana anene muno ase gekoroki mu waziri o public service Justin Muturi kugikiria serikali ase bikoro byogochererwa nigobono abarai bande bakanire emiremo magega yogocherwa no murai wense Dr. William Ruto uyo orene kirenga gyokorosia serikali ya broad based korende ninki abarai bagusiba gokanira emiremo uyo kabeire omubunge o West Mugirango Vincent Kemosi agachorwa buna omwambassador gochia asense agana korende agakana asengakiye Millicent Omanga uyorenge omoseneta omochore naboigo orenge umurwaniriri bwekirugo kiabangina ase county ya Nairobi agakana emirema yetwe no muraiwense Dr. William Ruto nabono Timothy Bosire oyore omugachi bwe chama ya ODM niga bwatiri chimbaratero chiabo magega yogokana emirema yetwe no muraiwense Dr. William Ruto buna oyotenirete ikiombekiria ya NTSA abarai kurwa asorgongo rwa gusinigo barakaniye kugikiria egetambukiro kya Bosire nene muno omochifu Silvana Sosoro oyore omubunge ase ebunge ya South Mugirango nere Anthony Kibagendi niga muchiri echama ya ODM anene muno ase okombia orogongo rwa gusi ase bitari byoburai kuripotiria egetasene nkiaga Tembe TV inchenkoro kwa Sam Miyenda
na omokonyi bumurai wense omoske Abraham Kiture Kindiki professor niganyaka bagagwesokia na gutugutirare ekerengerere buna nigara chikoba gagutumeka elio korigeria omurai wense omoske William Ruto ogosirwa kuba mono kurwa sorgongo rwa Mount Kenya omoske Kindiki nigatabira buna emirimo yaye buna omokonyi bumurai wense nokwane buna omurai wense gosomoske William Ruto ngwenegeriere abakenya bonsi amagendero gwanchirire konde wensi gotayo omoske Kindiki nigaligwe kuona iga chinsemo chia Embu chingaki agendete nemerubiri yaye imna omokonyi bumurai wense kuba mono asorogongo rwa Mount Kenya.
Being a political leader, those of us who are politicians, we must aspire above being politicians, we should aspire being leaders. In leadership, it's not about popularity. It's about transformation of society. Impact and transformation. There are many people who can be popular for no good reason. They have not transformed nobody. They have not looked for any road. They have not helped to get any water. They have not assisted any young person to get a job. But they are popular. And you know, this is how humanity has been all along. And my work as the principal assistant of President Ruto is to track progress of the implementation of our manifesto. Nilikuwa nimeulizwa sijui will you mobilize Mount Kenya for President Ruto? That's not the work of the Deputy President. I answered the question by saying, I will mobilize Kenya for William Ruto. And Mount Kenya is part of Kenya, isn't it? Yeah. President Ruto has spent the last 2 years working on intangible but very vital economic stabilizers. The things you're talking about here are very important for empowering individual households and individual people. But for us to be able to deal with those issues, we must stabilize the economy, strengthen our currency against foreign currencies for international trade. Our people are traders. Whatever they buy from outside, they import and pay using Kenyan shilling, which is converted in dollars. So if the shilling is strong, they use less money to import a container. And therefore they will sell to the person in Runyenjes or in Siakago at a lower price that mali that the hawkers and the shopkeepers are selling in our shopping centers. So many people are asking, what is the connection between a stronger shilling and money in the pocket? That is the connection. If the shilling is weak, our importers, our traders will use more Kenyan shillings to get one container of merchandise. So the price of those items, household items, will be higher in the rural places than it would have been if the shilling was strong and they have used lesser shillings per container.
Na omo wasiri wechibesa kusatura sharia mosike John Mbadi Ng'ong'o nigo anyaraka bagakubulia bakenya tibagendera kunyaraka bakurusigwa ebanga sebirengo bigoro nga nonya serikali ya Kenya kebwate amadeni amange nigo serikali gante kuligia ebitambukiro obyo kandi kimuna gwakanere jideni ekyo naboyo okirandia abakenya amagendero boigo mosike John Mbadi nigamenta buna guchaka ikigocha nigo ekyombe gose ekiganje kane kia serikali ya Kenya kirajikubwatu kachiba kya se chisukuru ekyo chigosira chisemi kubwa mono ase amangana yogochaka chisukuru chi secondary amo nam obukalire bonde ase chisukuru.
Ninataka niwaambia kwamba Wakenya wajue bado tuko na shida. Tulikopa pesa nyingi sana from 2014. We have borrowed a lot of money which is now choking the government of Kenya. We are not out of the woods yet. I promised and pledged and told Kenyans that I will be more transparent and more accountable, because the money that we use, the money that we spend, the money that we plan with at the treasury does not belong to those people sitting at the treasury. The money belongs to the people of Kenya because you are the taxpayers. Now today we are trying to get out of this debt trap. That is why sometimes you may find challenges, but I've also committed myself and to the people of Kenya, and the President of the Republic of Kenya is in agreement that we must not overtax Kenyans anymore. And therefore don't listen to any story that there will be any higher taxes. The only avenue we have is to broaden the tax base so that those who have not been paying taxes and are supposed to pay taxes walipe ushuru without overburdening those who are already paying taxes. And then we also improve our system to make them more efficient, especially the Kenya Revenue Authority, to make it more efficient to collect our taxes and minimize and eliminate corruption in the system so that we can use the taxpayers' money more prudently. Today, or yesterday and today, there has been a lot of stories in the media that our education system is facing challenges because capitation has not been released. The reason why we have not released capitation is because this month we had to pay 70 billion loan to external borrowers, which now we have completed paying this week. Next week, we are releasing 48 billion shillings for capitation. So schools, please don't panic. Teachers, don't panic. School managers, don't panic. Next week, Treasury will release 48.8 billion, which is 50% of this year's budget, to fund our education system. We believe that education system is critical and important, a social function. And then after that, I will release money to the counties. That will be the next priority item. We will release 31 billion to counties so that our counties are also continue to function effectively. After that is when I will start paying salaries, which will also take 75 billion shillings. If you add those amounts, you are already at 225 billion. And every month we only collect on average 230. So you can see how we have challenges.
Mwanju mwaligererio kung'usanana niko kugeire kwene kigwa kubwa mono ase kiganja kirike maete muna roads levy egati ya bagavana gozachi county amo na serikali nene inse ya ekiombe kia babunge gosegwetira NGCDF kukwana lituko lya lero nigo omugavana we county ya Tarakaniti omosike Mudhumi Njoki anyakaba gakubulia abachumbe gutaisonania ase kiganja ekyo nabo igo kubulia abachumbe bonsi gosekubulia kiganja ekyo koligererwa chinchira akiranya kabage wekirania magendera kuchia saba Kenya bonsi.
Mkiwa wajumbe tukiwa governors tumekuwa na mashindano ya resources ambayo sasa inaenda kuleta shida kwa watu wetu. Ya kwanza ni ya barabara, kwa sababu kuna barabara zimesemekana hizi na county, hizi ni za national government. Alafu ile pesa inafaa kupewa hizi barabara inaitwa road maintenance levy, huwa inatolewa kwa petroli wakati unanunua petroli. Hata ukinunua mafuta ya taa, kuna kodi inakatwa, inapelekwa kwa ile pesa ambayo inaitwa na Kenya Roads Board. Alafu hiyo Kenya Roads Board ndio inapatia counties pesa, inapatia constituencies pesa, constituency inapatiwa kupitia kera, na sisi tunapewa na Kenya Roads Board. Wabunge walienda wakafunga, wakasema ile pesa yote ipewe wajumbe, counties watumie pesa yao ya county. Na ila tangu tuanze devolution, ile pesa ya kutengeneza barabara za county ile mingi uteka kwa Kenya Roads Board. Na kwa sababu hiyo tulipelekana kotini, sasa kuna kesi, pesa ya barabara imelala kwa bank. Badala ya kutengeneza barabara, kila siku tunabinyana hapa, ile pesa kidogo tunaokoka hapa ndio tunasema tunatengeneza barabara nayo. Ndio unaona barabara za baba yao zimekwama, zangu zimekwama, na pesa imelala kwa account kwa sababu ya kesi katikati ya wajumbe na watu wanaitwa governors. Ndio tunasema those are necessary wars. Kwa sababu hii ni mwaka ya pili tukiwa pesa inapitishwa inalala. Tunaomba National Assembly na Council of Governors na President aingilie, tufuate vile sheria inasema. Wale wako na barabara, kama wale wako na barabara ambaye zinaonekana kwa ground, kama constituency iko nayo ipewe pesa yao kulingana na vile barabara zinatoshana. Kama ni county ipewe barabara zake kulingana na vile zinatoshana. Lakini hatuwezi introduce sheria katikati ya kupeleka pesa mahali ambapo hakuna barabara ambayo inatoshana hiyo pesa.
Mwanjumo ligereriko ikirabu nikotoka ndo mutima kwa mukaigo tokwirana ningendere gukumanyia amange ime yekionga chinsa ibere litukulia lero lya Jumamosi go toskochele.
Getemba Television ekionga kiamamogusi. Coming soon on Getemba Television.
Okioma.
Joy na mwa upendo usipende. I kill you or I marry Joy.
Ubuna bobo gimanta ke tomenyere bwona. Ekoronta yora kwigirita inyo kubwata tariso bwate.
Kamujeshi isoba kamanyenga. Coming of Kamujeshi is Jesse in compound his
Hai nyanchama. Kwani ndagire yokuri minto gaika. Ega nyoko na iso.
Joy.
Kamjesh, umekuja kufanya nini?
Nimekuja kukuchukua wewe. You only have one option. Is either I marry you ama niwe babako.
Nini?
Lakini akitoma itimbo atitata na mama. Na biye kambo atengo tamera. Wona acha ukubole ngante kama. Nancho nyome.
Mche. Ya. Tena na bunore. Simama hivyo venye uko hivyo. Leko moro yuse.
Joy. Speak. Nyanchama. Coming soon on Gatemba Television. Ekeonga Kimamogusi. Gatemba Television. Ekeonga Kimamogusi.
Peak Dental Clinic nenya gitalie kurubo gwene bwabo aso muchando bwa maino igo bakurubo kale bwabo buna okorusia maina ali abwato muchando koya sivya komenterwa amaino asebalia agogete nkokwenya bale chininti nabo igongo ticha bara maina ali abochokete enya gitalie nige kurubo kale bwo bwensi asedi golide nsekegima mbambwate nsema sa bana bakubutera nabo igo kogoserelia obokoreri bwabo no bwabwango nendo bwikiranwa wigo ngokora bale scanning chimashini chabo ni chibirongo bigoro niko bagotoka imejo mucho kisi asama gacho a Uhuru Building aselirongo liri igoro yebengi ya Kenya Women Finance Trust boigo naboko nyoro gwetera ase website yabo ya www.peakdental.co.ke boigo naboko nyoro gwetera ase nchera yesimi gwetera ase namba enotisa nebere kianda ibere inye eyemo kianda isano isato inye ose gwetera ase nambende enoti isano nebere isano nemo inye isano nesatu kianda inye eyemo isano nesatu.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Mutwe. I am the Chief Dentist and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu.
Gatemba Television. Ekeonga Kimamogusi.
My name is Rebecca Kirubu Amisi from Keroka Technical Training Institute from the Department of Building and Civil Engineering. In Keroka Technical, we offer courses and we prefer women to take the engineering courses such as carpentry, plumbing, masonry, land survey, science, mathematics, and mechanical engineering.
Hello everyone, I'm Emily Awanga from Keroka Technical Training Institute from Electrical Department. I would like to remind all ladies to take this course, that is electrical engineering. Since the course is marketable, if you take this course, you will have equal opportunity in the market. Welcome.
I'm urging all the ladies outside there to come to Keroka Technical Institute, whereby all women are given equal opportunities in terms of job opportunities. In Keroka, we the trainers, we are role models in the engineering departments. Because we are ladies, we know we have equal opportunities. When it comes to job employment, we are well preferred and we work much better when compared to the male students.
My name is Jacinta Auma Aika. I'm from Keroka Technical Training Institute under the course of carpentry and joinery. I want to tell all ladies outside there that taking the course of carpentry and joinery gives you an equal opportunity in the market, hence bettering your life. Welcome.
I'm urging the people outside there to bring ladies to Keroka Technical, whereby we'll equip them with practical skills, knowledge that will give them chances to work outside the world, and then they can be role models when it comes to practical aspects. So kindly bring the ladies to school so that you can give them this knowledge we have, and they can be able to support us. Thank you, and welcome to Keroka Technical Training Institute. We have the intake in January, and we are requesting all the ladies outside there, despite the age, despite the ethnicity you are coming from, we have equal opportunities at Keroka. Huwa tunachukua wanafunzi wote. Thank you, and welcome to Keroka.
Getemba Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Na mwanchu muligari karibu na togandrene kionga chinsa ibere gotokwira na guika ase omocho Nairobi nigo omwasiri omuyia abwa mangana ICT gosamangana yekerero monoberane mwamangana omo sike William Kabogo anyarkoba gago chake mirimo senjera bene litukulia lero asanya kabaga kohererigwa gose gakoerwa obisi gose gutigirwa obisi amono mwasiri omonene omosike wikire musaria Davadi ase amaga chamanene usichwa bichidana chie wisara eyo omosike William Kabogo nigali ira yo chikwane kyabuna nkoligereria ale enchirano ne mitanda igotumeka elikone kuna bakenya gubomona basanga nyarara bale kurwa ase ensemeyo boigo nigo omwasiri omonene musaria Davadi era libagelio kobolia gose gwakira omurai bwekiamagia ODM ekoko omosike Raila Amolo Odinga asokota yabona eganga yayo koligi koba umunyakero wobwe kiombe gia AU gosafika Union Commission nigo ere asokonyora wensi ya Kenya engima.
It is a very serious problem, and I hope you guys and us can take it upon ourselves to have a discussion in our country about morals, about the do's and the do not do's, so that we have a good country. Au sio jameni? Mimi nitakuwa kipaumbele ya kujaribu kusaidia. And then tap into the energy and innovation of these young men and women. And I say Gen Z is my business.
There's also the challenge around communication. I have to be honest that we are facing some challenges around communication. In plain terms, we are getting a lot of beating from the media. There's the new media, which is the social media, but also from the mainstream media, we have been taking a lot of beating. Sometimes we don't speak to our good things, and there's a saying that don't blow your own trumpet. But I would like to look at it differently. If you do not blow your own trumpet, then who will blow it for you? That is the issue. So it is important that we also package what we achieve and what we do appropriately and let the Kenyan people know that we are doing certain things that are in the interest of this country. The first question we should ask yourself, or the people who are critics on some of these things, to ask themselves, is it prestigious, is it important for Kenya to have an opportunity to lead the African Union Commission for the first time since the AUC was set up? That's the basic question. If it is desirable, then it makes sense for Kenyans to have that opportunity. Secondly, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs is also charged with the responsibility of lobbying for Kenyans who are seeking opportunities in international arena. Today, it is the Honorable Raila who is seeking to be the chair of the AUC, the African Union Commission. Tomorrow, we may have a Kenyan who will be seeking to become Secretary General of the United Nations. It may be you, my friend. What would you want Kenyans to do? Would you want them to vilify you or to support you? That is the basic question.
Manjumulgirna kurwa asense moye kiunga chigosoli ritukulia lero nigo minano bya KPL kose Kenya Premier League bya gerera ase bya gosolirwa kose bya gosolirwa gatie timu ya FC Leopard yangirwa chigolinye ase eyemo ne timu ya Atalanta naboge timu ya Mara Sugar nero nyara kabage ko yengera timu ya Mathare chigoli sate ase eyemo ase getikia Gwendo Stadium Naboigo Mara Sugar nero nyara kabage kuingira timu ya Mathare United chigaki timu ya FC Leopard nyara kabage kuingerwa chigolinye ase eyemo ne timu ya FC Atalanta amamerenia agochikanda nande lituko liangyo timu chiroberi gwaka engoyo lituko liangyo yo chichibwatiraniti timu ya Shabana. Mwanjo muligero wikirabu no tukurira ekiunga chinsa ibere ema goroba ya lero ncheni gongoro kwa Haruni Ototo nyangiri na kuransemo ya transmission igakoro kwa Abigail Nyanchama kurene ni gongo kolitiga nomoro ulwo muburera nere Lucas Mogaka.
Wait, hold on.
Duno gusina ikira. Titukurira gusinga kiri tukurire.
It's a difficult day.
Kuangiro bwoba, wina chikiri gutoro woma pema na chakiri kuigusa. Omoskeruto. Ngoju wikiri kebanda. Tikanda koli bagiri modele nchi nde musi ya geika. Tikanda koli bagura kuana. Orugendo ruwa wangirwa beru moskeruto.
In this journey, many people have hurt me. But on this prayer breakfast, I forgive everybody.
Mosko soro. Kusna bono gochukora arende ekwaya. Karato bwo tukirango komo ilinto cha kumukutano limo diuka. Nenda bono mwetikeli tukudia lero kuikamoni gwere ichagere nche bono ndo mwemusia. Inche mbwate maike kuikamoni chire ngora. Njere nguruchu mukali kuturunga na kuturunga ni banda ga mukuja kuimukia muikuguru kuikamu munga nchire mba libaka akaitata
waruke juu waende chini
waende kando, hakuna penye Ruto anaenda. Ama ni aje?
Kusemba tare. Umuskuru Kenyatta ndocho ikiranire giko umukire ko kwiguru. Kara tambo tofono.
Shida ya watu siku hizi, everybody ana sijui mumeogopeshwa, sijui even you gena naona rudi uingie hii.
Ayo muski Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta. Jinsi bukala ko tanga Ruto must go. Ruto must go. Okay.
Majenzi nyinyi ndio the story of the future.
Kurwali ebirundo. Abone njerba gucha kwa GNC. Mwire ngora. Nchi ndomo msia wonu nchi mbote make mumchere ngora. Kusemba tare. Umuski Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta kalote banga. You are the story of the future. Aigangaki.
Hiyo, that is unnecessary. That is uncalled for. And it is an exercise in futility. Because it will not happen.
Iko muski no mate buya chini simbarabi.
Si mnajua wale wakora wa mtandao kule Nairobi? Wanapiga kelele wanasema sijui Ruto must go sijui nini.
Fight for your rights bwana. Sio kukakaa hapo mambo mali yenu ichukuliwe na nini mumeitolea jasho. Msikubali. Pambaneni muhakikishe mumepata haki yenu. Mnasikia nyinyi?
Musikirira bono buna ayo mugaka. Kuigura mangana yika ngakyura tebe.
Mzee kasema rudi mashambani, hakuna kazi.
Aikubono kuikichi bitli umuskiriro bangwe kuikotu yu bangwe hosotorwe
Cannot be pangered. Who can pangoa?
GNC.
Who can bogoa?
GNC.
Who can bogoa? We are
pone umwaka moto bya sambire wikabono bono wika kuikotulie.
Raila ulilala mbalie. Raila ulilala mbalie.
Muski Uhuru bono uchimuno ngakiuru uchi. Muski Uhuru ngakiuru uchi.
Sio kukaa hapo tu. Kuna kitu inadumu. But everything is worth a fight for. If you don't fight for it, ikienda mtu asilie.
Inge mwega, turanyigilise ngenge jika kurumeka muski Ruto. Turingira kuruba chawega. Mutu muski Ruto kora tanga mugako yo mukuiwana kwa muganga. Bono mboli mongolia.
7 nikakuta mtu ni mtu empty. Hana mpango.
Karira ngora tata.
Uganda nini? Acha na your story my friend, please.
Bona muski Ruto mutu kora kuruma ngakibona yo kwa muganga. Bona biasambe bisambete. Mungora ko umuntu wiganero uyu mukiriyo ko bakubuire. Narabotukira basikama amma baga barakwanire. Ayo nurukanga. Wasiga sigira mono inchua rutamboto. Tukondra bono nabotegerera ninja ya muziana kubwato geregenteke.
Uhuru Kenyatta sio mjinga. Kukuja kwa social media kuambia vijana wa Gen Z fightieni haki yenu. Uhuru si mjinga.
Msimame mupiganie haki yenu. Na mko na hawa watoto wamebaki ambao wako tayari
kwa sababu kama tunaweza tokea kwenda kuangalia venye maisha ya Wakenya inaendelea, kwenda pale attention ikawa juu, tukachukuliwa tukaweka kwa masubaru melekwa mbio. Sasa hata hapa mimi sijui niko wapi.
Waungane pamoja nanyi.
Muski Ruto inkura kwane.
You shouldn't be the source of threats in Kenya.
Muwe watu ambao hawataogopa, wataishi kama my friend. Ameenda detention, si alitoka na akaendelea na maisha.
Raila ulilala mbalie. Raila ulilala mbalie. Ruto ulikuwa wapi? Ruto ulikuwa wapi? Gachagua ulikuwa wapi?
Na kuikera nongwa kero musumari nga. Omurubu mubule na joru kasmwa kana chire.
Wait, hold on.